So I hope you're doing good today. I'm over at my mom and dad's house, and my mom is a BKT, BTK, below the knee amputee. And so they ended up, improvising what you got. Ideally, if you could, swap your shower around and make a wheelchair access. But on the second, you might be able to get something like this. So I think you sit on it. It's operator error right now because I know it's not that hard to do. Oh, that's your twist. So this handle here, twist. I bet these are. Nope, that takes those up. First time using them, so you have to bear with me here. What if I hit on here? No, probably slides really freaking easy. If the mother's gonna lock it. It's on these things. I don't think that is nothing. There you go. So, operator error. If you're, that's what this is. That's sort of confusing. So, what you got here is, as you've seen, push that down, get the rotation, change your position in the shower. It looks like these you tap if you want to get in and out. And then, whoopsies, I think I touched it. And then what I just did it. Let me think about this. Oh yeah. So this little knob here, go like that, slides it back. That's pretty smooth. But the one thing I didn't like about it, seems like, I guess you just slide on over. So I'll put this here. So I'm on it. Push it. Oh yeah, I'm 200 pounds. So that works really well. I hope I'm getting the whole frame. And then I come over here, push down on the right tab. Boom. You can shower up as you need to. The downfall is if you're solo trying to do this, it might be a little hard. To reach your handles if you're going this way. And there is a seatbelt, so you can seatbelt yourself in. But I'm not testing the tippability of it. I mean, that's pretty solid. So I think you're pretty good. But I ain't testing that today. I don't want to break nothing. But like I said, that'd be my only thing. It might be a little hard, so I'm leaning pretty forward to get this one in our setup. So you could move this in, and then you don't have to worry about it. But let's get out of the position. Oh, I'm done. Woo! So I push down, turn myself around. Then I go here. This one is a push, right? Let me think. Nope. Why is that hanging up here? My fat butt. It's got to push, so I'm not. Okay, so I heard it click. There you go. So I didn't have it clicked. And again, I'm 200 pounds. My footing's off, so you could probably set that too. So we'll pull off there. So yeah, I could set this lower by these tags right there. If you wanted to lower it, that'd probably be easier. But for what it is, the nylon slides really well. And it's comfy for your butt. So alter motives for different situations to take a shower, if you needed to. So it's a nice little shower chair. I've been telling my dad to do this for freaking a year since they had it. And yeah, life's busy. I'm here, so I'm gonna do it. But something like that, so you can see it probably could use a little oil every now and then, which is no big deal. Hard water does that to things. But there you go. Check this chair out, man. I'll have a link on Amazon. But yeah, thanks for watching.